Imagine paying for an AI tool and asking it three simple questions and immediately getting this error. You didn't do anything wrong. But right now, thousands of Google AI Pro users are getting this error on their device. And their account is suddenly getting locked for straight 7 days. No warning, rapid battery draining. People are furious. They think it's a bug in Google Anti-Gravity 2.0 system. But it's not a bug, it's a symptom. What are you looking at is the first visible crack in the system that is quietly collapsing behind the closed door. We have officially hit the compute wall. And while you are staring at a 7-day lock timer, the massive AI systems that were meant to run our futures physically and financially are breaking down. If you're a software engineer, a founder, or a professional relying on AI, what is happening right now will change your strategy entirely for next 2 years. So hear me out very carefully. To understand why Google is locking you out, you have to look what just leaked at OpenAI. OpenAI is currently generating $13 billion of revenue in a year. And that is an insane number honestly. But their leaked financials show that in 2025, they lost $21 billion. And that is a very huge number compared to their revenue. Think about that. They are making $13 billion and they are still burning enough cash to fund a small country. Why? Because cost of running and training these AI models is running exponentially faster than the revenue they bring into the system. The compute required to give you a smarter and a very nice answer costs them a lot in the backend. And that is actually destroying their profit margins. And Google is locking you out because Google cannot actually afford the computing power right now. But while OpenAI and Google are fighting bankruptcy and server fires, their biggest rival just had the US government to pull the plug on their entire operations. Yes, you guessed it right. It is Anthropic. On 12 June, the Commerce Department issued a massive export control order on Anthropic. They forced them to pull their brand new AI model, Fable 5 and Mythos 5, completely offline for the foreign nationals. And this wasn't a copyright issue. This was a security nightmare. Multiple AI agents communicated with each other, bypassed their own safety classifier, and successfully extracted the exploit guidance for synthesizing illegal drugs. These models were too smart to kept in a box. And the scariest part isn't the government ban. It's the Anthropic's reaction. Just days before they were supposed to file a massive IPO, Anthropic just released a paper literally bagging for a global pause for AI production. Why would a company about to go public ask the world to stop buying their product? This is because of one internal data point that leaked. Over 80% of the Anthropic's AI code is written by their own AI. We are no longer in a phase where humans are building AI. We are in a phase where AI is building AI themselves. It is called recursive self-development and it takes unimaginable amount of compute power, which brings us back to the flashing giants Google and OpenAI. The companies that build models are trapped. They are burning billions, they are banned by the government, and they are locking out their own users. But there is one company that saw this exact bottleneck and they made a $60 billion move that completely flips the board. On June 11th, SpaceX priced the largest initial public offering in human history, raising $75 billion. But this wasn't just a rocket company going public. Earlier this year, SpaceX quietly absorbed Elon Musk xAI in an all-stock deal. That means SpaceX isn't just a rocket company anymore. With a $1.77 trillion of valuation, they are now publicly traded AI giant. They have their own hardware, their own massive server farms, their own power sources, and total control of their compute. And what did they do with all that cash? They didn't just build a new chatbot, they bought Cursor. SpaceX just acquired AI coding startup Cursor in a $16 billion. If you write code or build products, you would know about Cursor. It is a tool that developers have been using to build products 10 times faster using AI. By buying Cursor, SpaceX actually took control of the actual interface where software developers meet the AI to build the future. If you are a professional or a founder trying to figure out how to actually use tools like Cursor instead of watching news about them, hit the subscribe button below. video. We do deep dive tutorials every week on this channel, so you never fall behind. Now coming back to SpaceX and Cursor, SpaceX don't care about a chatbot wrapper. They are owning the infrastructure, the compute, the developers. They bypass the exact wall which is right now crushing Google and OpenAI. So if giants are falling at this massive rate, expensive cloud AI, where does that leave you? Now let's look at the company that skipped the compute war entirely. Apple. While everyone else was burning $20 billion on server farms, Apple just unveiled the new Siri, powered by Apple Intelligence, the Siri AI. They didn't try to build a model that knows how to cure a cancer or how to pass the bar exam. They built a model that knows you. The new Siri has a deep cross-app integration. It features a multi-modal mode that actually sees through your camera and takes action what you are actually seeing. And most importantly, the massive chunk of it runs locally on your own device. Apple doesn't need to burn $20 billion in cloud because they are using the processor sitting in your pocket. They bypass the compute wall by localizing the power. So what does this all mean to you? If you're a professional, a founder, an engineer, what you should actually do today? First, stop relying entirely on single cloud model. If you're building a business or a workflow that completely depends on Google Gemini's API or OpenAI APIs or cloud APIs, you are building a house of fault line, my friends. Costs are going to skyrocket and you are going to get rate limited death. Second, shift your skills. Shift your skills to local and ecosystem AI. The future of consumer software isn't just a web wrapper connected to an expensive backend AI model. It's the deep on-device integration. Start building and experimenting with models which can run locally on your device. Build tools that integrate directly in the ecosystem like Apple Siri AI Intelligence. Third, if you are an engineer, your job just changed. SpaceX didn't buy Cursor for $16 billion because coding is dead. They bought it because the nature of coding has changed. From writing syntax to managing AI agents, you need to stop typing line of codes and start directing the AI systems. If 80% of the Anthropic codes is written by AI, your workflow needs to look exactly the same. Master Cursor, master agentic workflows. The era of cheap, infinite AI compute is over. The companies that are surviving are the one who owns the hardware and the ones who own the devices in your pocket. The people who wins this exact next phase won't be the one with the best prompts. It will be the one who knows how to build leverage without relying on fast-moving, fragile infrastructure. Start building locally, master the new AI tools, and most importantly, don't get locked out. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.